following the current coming down the Maumee. As they come down, there's a pinch point. The pinch point is right at this plant. That plant takes in 750 million gallons of water a day. Those larval fish don't know the difference between safety and death.
Very small fish, fish eggs, larval fish that are maybe only 10 millimeters in size, will be coming down the intake channel of the power plant and will pass right through the power plant's cooling system and go out its discharge canal and back out into the lake.
A lot of the fish will follow the current right into the intake of the Bayshore power plant.
And those fish can be affected by both the turbulence that occurs inside the circulating systems of the power plants, as well as by the additional heat that's put into the water, because the cooling water, the water by nature is used to cool the generators of the power plant. So that's one way that the plant could affect fish populations.
The fish come in trapped along the screens and entrained or impinged, but basically they're pressed along the screens and killed by sheer water flow and their inability to free themselves.
When larger fish come down that intake channel and encounter the traveling screens or the screens that protect the intake structure of the power plant, and those screens are there to collect debris, tree stumps, things like that, as well as fish, and those screens turn to be cleared and fish get impinged or attached to those, and then they get drawn up, dumped into a water supply system that shoots them back out into the discharge part of the power plant so that they get drawn back out into the lake again. And so there is an impact on those fish also.
If you could pick a place to put a power plant, you could not put your finger on a map and find a worse place to put a power plant than right here at the mouth of the Maumee River.
We're right in the worst possible place they could have sited the plant. It's right in the actual nursery ground and the spawning ground. So there's just no other place in Lake Erie that they could have put this plant which has been any worse.